Now, the next topic of chapter Q is applications of Q. Up till now, we studied what is the implementation of queue, what are the different types of queue, that is priority queue, multiple queue, double-ended queue. And now we have to understand that what are the applications of queue, in a what way we can use the queue practically while we are doing the implementation of different software. For that, what are the different applications? The first application, queues are widely used as waiting list for a single shared resource like printer, disk, and central processing unit. Now, this queue is used as a waiting list for these different resources. Now, suppose we take an example of a printer. So nowadays we are using different types of advanced printer, and in that advanced printer we are not give a page, or we can say that we are not giving a single page print. We are using multiple pages of printing, multiple types of printing, once only simple text printing, then image printing, then different words, alphabets, different types of printing we can use. So in that, to give a proper queue, which page to be print first, which page to be print next, that is to be decided by taking a help of queue. Queues are used to transfer data asynchronously between two processes. Now, what are the different two processes? Suppose pipes, file input output, sockets. The data is asynchronously transferred by the queues. Queues are used as a buffer on MP3 players and portable CD players, iPod playlist. Now for the MP3 players, for the CD players, we are having lots of list of the songs. Now here also we are, whatever the first song that is played or that is inserted, that is to be played first, or we are having the list of the different songs, we can select whichever song we want and again gives the priority to that list. All these things are done by the queue. Queues are used in playlist for jukebox to add songs to the end, play from the front of the list. Now in the jukebox there are the songs from the same theme, or we can say that same picture, or any same pattern, and by the song which are played in the jukebox from the same movie. So to give that type of a sorting, to create that type of a list by using different techniques of queue, we can implement this jukebox also. Queues are used in operating system for handling interrupts. Now, as we studied the concept of microprocessor, in that microprocessor we have the concept of interrupts. Interrupts means whenever the in a computer more than one process we want to access. In that case, there are interrupts are there which are playing most important role, that the process which is having the highest priority, the process which is having the highest priority, and according to that the highest interrupt is executed. What interrupt is doing? Interrupt can interrupt or stop the current process for some time and gives the priority to the request that is come and that is having the highest priority. So these are to be handled by using the queue in operating system for handling different types of interrupts. So these are all about the application of queue. So these are the various areas where the queue is implemented, where the queue is used. Whenever there is a list of contents are available and we want to print the contents or we want to play the contents, in that cases the concept of queues are used. Thank you.